verbs which do not need any object to complete itself. For example, Rita lives in her room. Rohan jumps. Sohan reads. Children play in the park. We go to the market. So Rita sleeps in her room. Rita is the subject. Sleeps, verb. Is it any object? No, it's not an object. It's just the complement of the sentence. Rohan, subject, jumps, verb. Object, no object. Object is missing here. Sohan reads. Sohan is the subject. Reads is the verb. Object, no object. Object is missing. Children, subject. Play, verb. In the park, object is missing. We, subject. Go, verb. To the market. It's not an object. It's only the complement of the sentence. It's a complement of the verb. So those verbs which do not need any object to complete itself is called an intransitive verb. So intransitive verbs are the verbs which are complete in itself. They do not need any object to complete. This is the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs. So intransitive verbs do not answer what or whom. What or whom. They can not be changed into passive voice. They cannot be changed into passive voice because they do not carry an object. Its action do not passes to any object. The subject does not pass its action to any object. Means there is no receiver. No receiver is in the intransitive verb. So intransitive verb and transitive verb, I think it's clear to everybody. Intransitive verbs do not need any object. It does not answer any question what or who, and it cannot be changed into passive voice. So this is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. I think it's clear. We can practice with more examples. Let's do some examples. She broke a glass. She broke a glass. She went to the playground. The snake died. jungle. An elephant. An elephant. Sits under a tree. I draw a picture. So let's identify transitive and intransitive verb. She broke a glass. Subject. She broke. Verb. What is a glass? It's an object. So we can say it is which verb? It is a transitive verb. It is a transitive verb because it has an object. It is a transitive verb. She went to the playground. See is the subject. Went is a verb. To the playground. It's the complement of the verb. It's the complement of the verb. It's not an object. Complement of the verb. It's not an object, so it is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. We can say this is intransitive verb. IV, short form, intransitive verb. The snake died. The snake is the subject. Died is the verb. In the jungle. It's not an object. It's again the complement of the verb. So died is also intransitive. Intransitive verb. An elephant sits under a tree. An elephant is the subject. Sits is the verb. Under a tree, no object is the complement of the verb. So again it's intransitive verb. I draw a picture. I is the subject. Draw is the verb. A picture is an object. So this draw, I draw what? I draw what? A picture. So this draw is transitive verb. So this is the difference. We can do more worksheets for our practice between transitive and intransitive verb. Now let us discuss a little about the verbs. Let us discuss about some verbs which can be used both transitively, which can be used both transitively and intransitively. Both transitively and intransitively. Intransitively. What are the verbs which you can use both transitively and intransitively? Let's write about the examples. Okay. There are some verbs. Which can be used both transitively and intransitively. For example, burn. I burn a paper. I burn a paper. I is the subject, burn is the verb, a paper is an object. So, burn is transitive verb here. Now burn. You have to use intransitively. The paper burned. The paper burned. So burned here used intransitively. Stop. The car stopped at the bus stop. At the bus stop. I stopped the car. So the car stopped at the bus stop. Here subject is the car, stopped is the verb, at the bus stop is not an object, it is the complement of the verb. It is a complement of the verb. So this is intransitive verb. Here stop is used intransitively. I stopped the car. So stopped what? Stopped what? A car. A car. This is the answer, a car. So stopped is here transitive verb. So now we shall discuss more with more examples in our next video. Thank you.